I'm showing 1701, that's located in SAYAN building. Okay, they have 2 private elevator. Here you have like the wash and dryer and like a storage room. Okay, there's a lot of boxes you're not able to see. They have a new wash and dryer. This is a renovated apartment. It's for rent, it's 11,900, coming for your furniture. Let's take a look in the view first. That's 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. The total area is over 3,000 square feet. Let's take a look in the view. Here, that's the balcony. The balcony by itself is over 1,000 square foot. It's a wraparound. A good thing here about this unit, the balcony, you see the alignment here is much further, and then you are able to see not just the ocean view, but the coastline. As you can see here, you're able to see over there, a little bit from Fort Lauderdale downtown. You're able to see the marina here. They do have great amenities over there, swimming pool, gym. It's a boutique building because they have just 2 apartments per floor. Over there you're able to see the Miami Beach downtown, Bal Harbour. Take a look at the size of this balcony. Huge balcony, look at that. Huge. And over there they have access for all the bedrooms, access for the kitchen. Every single room in this apartment they have the ocean view. Let's take a look in the rest of the apartment. Here is the main live area. They have a new tile floor, nice finishes here. That's they put some kind of wood panel. Looks very cute, very great. And here they do have the first bedroom. I'm going to show the master. They have a walk-in closet, and they also have direct ocean view. And here they have the kitchen, huge kitchen. They renovated all the appliances. Is a brand new. Okay, they have also a great ocean view. You're able to put like a coffee table here. Look at this panel here. It's a very nice. That's the master suite. The master suite also is a great view because you have a view from the ocean from your master suite. You have access to the balconies. You have high ceiling, and here you have all the closets. Nice area. And let's take a look here in the rest of the apartment. Okay. And here you have the access to the service elevator. And here you have the
master bedroom.
The bathroom here. That's the third bedroom. And they have the full size bathroom here, and also they have ocean view. You can put this one as an office, and it's a great location, great view, and great price.